Welcome back to TSS Automotive, your go-to source for deep dives into the automotive world. Today, we're exploring a nostalgic yet surprising comeback of Subaru's unexpected reimagining of a classic, the 2025 Subaru 360 van. Once a symbol of Japan's early post-war automotive push, the Subaru 360 microcar has returned in an entirely new format, this time as a retro-inspired electric van that blends heritage with future-focused technology. The original Subaru 360, released in 1958, was Japan's answer to affordable, lightweight transportation, nicknamed the Ladybug for its iconic round shape. Fast forward to 2025, Subaru taps into this legacy, reviving the 360 nameplate but transforming it into a van with modern utility, style, and a distinctly futuristic feel. This isn't just a visual throwback, it's a complete rethinking of what a compact, urban-friendly van can be in the age of electrification. What sets the 2025 Subaru 360 van apart is its seamless fusion of retro cues with cutting-edge electric vehicle technology. From the outside, it retains a rounded, playful silhouette, clearly influenced by the original 360. Circular headlights, minimalist trim, and compact proportions give it a strong visual identity, but every curve and panel has been refined for modern aerodynamics. It's available in pastel tones with white roof accents, invoking the charm of 1960s Japanese design while embracing a fresh, clean look. Under the skin, though, everything is brand new. Built on Subaru's modular EV platform, the 360 van is fully electric, offering a city-focused range of around 180 miles on a single charge. Perfect for urban commuting, delivery use, or small businesses, the van has been optimized for maneuverability, charging speed, and energy efficiency. It supports level 2 and DC fast charging, which means a quick top-up can get you back on the road in under 30 minutes. Step inside, and the theme of retro-modern continues. The cabin is clean, minimal, and smartly packaged. An upright seating position gives the driver great visibility, and the flat floor design maximizes interior space. A large digital display handles infotainment and navigation, while the rest of the dashboard has been kept refreshingly simple. Subaru has also used sustainable materials throughout the interior, from recycled fabric seats to biodegradable panels, aligning with their commitment to eco-conscious manufacturing. Despite its compact footprint, the 360 van offers impressive versatility. The rear seats can be folded flat or removed entirely, turning the van into a cargo hauler for urban deliveries or weekend projects. The electric motor's instant torque makes it feel surprisingly peppy in stop-and-go traffic, and its tight turning radius makes navigating narrow streets or parking in tight spots effortless. It's clear Subaru designed this vehicle with dense city environments in mind. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Subaru 360 van comes equipped with Subaru's latest high-side driver assist technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automatic emergency braking. For a vehicle that may appeal to both families and fleet managers, these features provide peace of mind, especially in crowded urban areas. Another standout feature is the vehicle's customizable ecosystem. Subaru offers a range of modular add-ons from roof racks to interior shelving systems, even a mini pop-up workspace kit. Whether you're using it for small deliveries, as a ride-share vehicle, or a mobile boutique, the 360 van can be tailored to fit a wide range of needs. This level of adaptability is something we don't often see in this segment, and it's a clever way to broaden its appeal. Pricing is also competitive, with the base model expected to start around $26,000 before incentives. That puts it in line with other compact EVs, but few can match the 360 van's blend of style, function, and nostalgia. Subaru is clearly targeting young urbanites, small business owners, and fans of quirky design, and they just might hit the mark. In terms of performance, no one's expecting sports car thrills, but the low center of gravity from the battery placement and lightweight construction gives the van a surprisingly nimble character. It accelerates briskly from stoplights and remains stable and quiet at highway speeds. For most daily drivers and commercial users, it hits a sweet spot of comfort, economy, and ease of use. As electric vehicle adoption accelerates globally, we're starting to see more unique and creative interpretations of what an EV can be. The 2025 Subaru 360 van doesn't chase aggressive styling or over-the-top power figures. Instead, it embraces simplicity, practicality, and charm qualities that are often overlooked in the current market. And in doing so, Subaru has crafted a vehicle that feels both refreshing and deeply familiar. That wraps up today's in-depth look at the 2025 Subaru 360 van. Whether you're a fan of retro designs, an EV enthusiast, or just curious about the future of city transportation, this van is definitely one to watch. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TSS Automotive, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next feature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.